Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Talisha and I also go by CreativiTeeByT. And if you are clicking on this video and watching it the day that I have posted it, today is the very last day in September, and then we will be starting the month of October, and I have some sewing plans that I want to share with you for the month of October. So if you're interested in this type of content, please continue to watch. So I had a pretty good sewing month in the month of September, and I will go over all of those makes in a future mix video that I plan to do, but I was not able to post and show everything that I did. So I am going to start October out with showing the hoodies that I made for my sons with the puppy dog pumpkin fabric that I showed in my September plans. And I also made a bomber jacket for myself, which is also a collaboration with Rochelle of Rochelle.Handmade Designs. And so that video will be published this Sunday, so stay tuned for that, because you definitely are going to want to see those jackets because they are absolutely adorable. So now let's get on to the new and fresh October plans. So I have an event that's coming up at work on actually this coming Tuesday. So yeah, we're pushing the limits with time, but I can do it. But anyway, I need something with the color green in it to wear, and I have not been able to find anything with that color that looks like my style, or just something that's suitable to wear to work and that's classy. So I'm going to make myself a shirt dress. Now, at first, I was undecided about the pattern that I wanted to use because I had gone back and forth between McCall's 8030. I also looked at the new McCall's 8237, and I was also deciding between McCall's 8031, but I decided on McCall's 8031 because I need long sleeves because it gets very cold here in the winter and I want to be able to wear it throughout the seasons coming. And I also like the length and it's easy to sew. So I am going to make view C, but I'm not sure if I'm going to make the pockets on the front of it because it just depends on how it looks once I put it together, and I'll leave the pockets for the end. So now for the fabric, I purchased this plaid brush cotton right here, and I purchased that to accommodate for the cold weather. It's 100% cotton. The brand of this fabric is called Platitudes, and I purchased this on sale at Joann's for $4.99 per yard once I got all my discounts. And the only thing that I am not looking forward to with this project is matching the plaids. I don't enjoy it. I like how it looks, but I don't enjoy doing it at all. So that is the plan for this fabric. A nice shirt dress, and I think it is going to be fabulous. So I know that I have been talking about the gaps in my wardrobe, and I need bottoms as well as tops. So I plan to sample a pant pattern that I picked up. I'm going to make a pair of pants by using Simplicity 1165, and I picked up this pattern some time ago because I've heard nothing but great things about it, and also because the look that I'm going for falls within what the pattern has to offer, and I'm going to make view A. Now, because I want to make something to go along with the pants, I also decided that I am going to make an unlined blazer because I don't want to line anything, and that is going to match the pants, and then I will have a suit, but I can also wear the two pieces as separate. So the blazer pattern that I am going to use is a Simplicity 8844, and I'm going to make view A on that. And I'm not sure if I will add the pockets on that either. I just want to see how it all comes along, but I do like it because it's very basic and it has one button to close it off, and that is the look that I want to go for. So the fabric that I'm going to use for that, I will show you that now. So the fabric that I'm using is this green and black plaid fabric, and Yes, it's green again, just like the last fabric, but the other fabric was intentional for the event at work. But I picked this up some time ago, and because I like green. Green is one of my favorite colors, but we'll go off into that in a little bit. So again, the fabric that I'm going to use is this green and black plaid fabric, and I picked this up for $2.99 a yard in Los Angeles in the fashion and fabric district. And I'm going to use this because, number one, I need more green in case I have other events, and like I said, green is one of the colors that is themed at my place of employment. No, and number two, I'm not sure of how the pants are going to fit, and I don't want to use my expensive fabrics for that. So I will use this fabric because it will definitely be a wearable muslin, because it's, even though I only paid $2.99 a yard, it's not bad fabric at all. But I won't feel bad if it doesn't turn out because I didn't put that much money into it. So yes, this is the fabric that is going to make my suit by using those two simplicity patterns, and I think it's gonna look cute. Again, I don't like matching up plaids, but I keep picking up that fabric, so I'm doing it to myself. So next we have tops. I have been going through a series of making tops because of the gaps that I have in my closet, and I actually posted a video about this, and I also posted the first top that I made for the series, and I will actually link that information in the cards up above, and I will also put the information in the description box below in case you are interested in watching. But after I made the first top by using Simplicity 8878, I started making tops using McCall's 7630, and I plan to make every single view in this pattern. So I have already made up views E and views D, and I plan to make the rest of the tops that are left for me to make, which are views A, B, C, and F during this month. And I will share all of the views in one video, so everything's going to come at you at once because it's the same pattern. Now, the fabric that I have picked out for the views that I plan on making are going to be number one, view A, which I actually showed this in my September plans, but I didn't make that view yet, and that is going to be this paint splatter fabric right here. It had to grow on me, but I think it's pretty cool, and I got a really good response on this fabric. So again, I'm going to make that for view A. And then I have this like metallic sparkly fabric with black, gray, and like a little bit of white that I am going to use to make view B. And here's that fabric right here. And the reason why I'm going to make view B with that is because there's a lot going on there, but it's still like a fancier fabric, and I can just like kind of cover it with a cardigan or something like that, and it won't be too much. So I also have a solid black, you know, nothing special here, just a solid black, because who does not need a solid black? Everybody needs a solid black top, right? And I want it to be more of a statement top. But I have this solid black fabric because I want to make view C. I think it would be very, very nice with the long sleeves here and the peplum. And like I said, it's a black top and it'll be plain, but the peplum in the sleeves is going to be what sets it off. So I think that's going to be nice. And then for the last view that I need to make is view F, and I am still pondering over which fabric I'm going to use for view F, because I have to make sure that the fabric is, number one, the correct drape for the tie at the bottom. And I also have to make sure that the fabric doesn't have a noticeable wrong side because of how the back side of the ties will be exposed when it moves around. So again, I will be posting all of the views at once in an upcoming video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And I'm going to go over all the details of all the fabric in every view in that video. So because this month is the month of October, and we always have the chili cook-off. I will be utilizing this chili fabric to make an apron. I talked about this in a fabric haul, but yes, I have this chili fabric that I purchased from Hobby Lobby some time ago. When I saw it, I was like, I gotta get it, and I will be making an apron for our chili cook-off for whoever wins the chili cook-off. So that's gonna be pretty neat, and so hopefully I'll be able to get pictures of some winner with the apron on. And for my last plan for October, I am partnering with a company to make something for an upcoming campaign that I'm not able to give specifics about, but I will be working on that as well. So I say that to let you know that I will be busy in the background of all the things that I just shared with you on this particular project, but it is exciting and I cannot wait to share it with you, so stay tuned for that as well. So that is it for all of my October sewing plans. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. Tell me what your favorite plan was, what you look forward to seeing, all that good stuff. I like to converse with you in the comments. And thank you so much to all my new and returning subscribers for your support and for watching. If you have not done so already, please consider subscribing. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!